Durable is an amazing AI-powered website builder designed for speed, simplicity, and growth. In this video, we will take a look at its pricing plans, their features, and all the possible discounts that you can get. So, let's get started. First of all, by selecting the yearly billing option, you can save 20% on all the plans. And you can get even more discount by using a coupon code about which we will talk towards the end of this video. Starting with the starter plan at $15 per month, this is a perfect choice if you are building your first business website. Plus, Durable includes a free custom domain valued up to $15, so you are set from the start. With the starter plan, you will have unlimited pages, giving you all the room you need to showcase your brand, services, or products. You will also have access to a vast library of 10 million stock images, which makes designing your site easy and professional looking right out of the gate. If you need some help, then priority email support is just a message away, and if you are a content creator, you can publish unlimited blog articles each month to keep your audience engaged. To help you stay organized, this plan includes a CRM with unlimited contacts, allowing you to easily manage your customers and prospects. If you are ready for a bit more, there's the business plan at $25 per month. Like the starter plan, it includes a free custom domain, but this time valued up to $30. It's ideal for growing businesses that may need a few more hands on deck, with access for up to 5 users so your team can collaborate seamlessly. The business plan provides you with unlimited pages for your website, access to 10 million stock images, and the ability to post unlimited blog articles every month. Plus, you can sync your email and set up auto replies so you never miss a message. And when it comes to marketing, Durable has you covered with a social post generator and a Google Ads generator, helping you expand your reach without the hassle. For back office management, the business plan also includes unlimited invoicing, so you are ready to handle all your client billing in one place. Now, if you are managing multiple businesses, the Mogul plan is made for you, priced at $95 per month. This plan includes a free domain valued up to $30, and it's built for owners and operators who want everything in one account. With the Mogul plan, you can host up to 5 different businesses, each with its own custom domain, while still enjoying unlimited pages and unlimited users. That means whether you are managing a team of 2 or 20, everyone can work together on a single platform. And like all the other plans, it comes with access to 10 million stock images, widgets, and unlimited monthly blog articles. The Mogul plan includes enhanced CRM features with unlimited contacts and 5 separate CRM instances, giving you full flexibility to segment and manage your customer interactions across businesses. You will also have email sync, auto reply, and review automation to keep all your communications running smoothly. If you need help spreading the word, the Mogul plan has a social post generator and a Google Ads generator to help you reach audiences on social media and search engines. And with unlimited invoicing, billing your clients is as simple as it gets. To make sure you are set up for success, the Mogul plan includes a one-on-one onboarding session so you can make the most of all these tools. Each of these plans is crafted to provide everything you need to build, manage, and grow your business online. And with the 20% discount available on all the plans for annual subscriptions, Durable AI makes professional website building affordable and scalable. On top of this 20% discount, you can use the coupon code 5star30 to get extra 30% discount on all the plans, which makes it a total of almost 50% discount. If you want to avail these discounts right away, you can use the link given in this video's description to access Durable AI. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that helps you write SEO optimized content for your website or blog, then check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a new video.